How's it going, guys? This is Jeff from GUNPLA SA. Got my partner Paul here, and this is our first order. Check it out.
Okay, so guys, we've already opened one of these a little bit. So got a whole bunch of plastic coming our way. Ugh. So I don't want to like tear out too many of these, but we've got a whole bunch of really awesome 30-minute missions. Of course, we got GUNPLA. I mean, why are we GUNPLA SA? And yeah, we've got some legit Gundam markers. Very cool for your panel lining, which is great. And for those of you...
Okay, Paul, that's the small box. Let's get to the big boy.
We're going to get to the big boy, but
yeah.
we haven't shown them the cool nipples. Look how cool these Gundam nipples are, dude.
Oh yeah.
Those are so rad. They're very nice, actually. Jeez, for entry-level nippers, they're actually really good. Okay, let's do this. Ooh, I'm a little bit... Okay.
Oh.
Ooh, wow, dude. Wow.
Oh, there's our RG new Gundam.
So
Unicorn
cool.
wing.
So I'm just to sing properly. Oh my word. Ah, guys, like just some super cool highlights here. The Meili's Kenbu from Kyokusenkai. And this bad boy. Ooh.
Oh.
Easily one of the best real grades made ever, of one of the best Gundam designs ever, in my opinion. Maybe. And oh, Jeff, check this. We can pull these out here quickly.
We can gently put them on the ground so we can get to the other kids. Yeah.
I'm excited, dude. The amped is real. Okay. Just want to do this carefully. Ooh.
Oh man. That's the star of the show.
That is so cool. Dude, I'm gonna get in there, Oof, look at that sexy plastic. I want.
Must resist.
Must resist. We've still got lots of like admin stuffies to do with this, but it's gonna be exciting.
Yeah guys, next week, early next week we should be launching.
Yeah, we don't want to show you everything because this is just a sexy teaser. But let me tell you, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's some amazing stuff. And yeah, feel free to contact us via our social media channels and whatever. And subscribe to the website so that you can be the first to know when everything goes live. And yeah, so guys, this is just a small teaser of everything that we got so far. We got a lot of really awesome stuff in here. Really excited. We just got a bit of admin to do. But please go and check out our socials. That's GUNPLA SA on Instagram. And follow us and go and check out the website and join our subscription list so that you can be the first to know when this stuff is available for sale. It's going to be up real soon. And until then, guys, keep it classy. Keep it GUNPLA.
Alright,
See you soon.
Cool. Cheers guys.
Gundam, it's a Gundam.